Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you are alright. Today we are going to talk about how to install Python. So first of all, you have to write python.org. The official website will be open. Now go to downloads and download the Python version 3.10.7. So when you click on this, the Python will begin to install. It will take some time, but when it is completed, then I will show you what to do next. So here you can see the download is complete. Now what we'll do next is to we will open this Python file. Here you can see a checkbox, add Python 3.10 to path. You have to check this box and then click on install now. The installing process will begin. Now this will take a bit of time. You have to wait patiently for this. This process depends upon the specs of your computer or your laptop. The more good specs of your system, the less time it will take in installing process. Okay, so the setup was successfully installed. Now if you are new to Python, you may wish to learn online through tutorials. You can find the option shown in this dialog box. Click online tutorials or documents to learn Python. As we are done with the installing process, so you can search your Python app in the search option of your system. Now if you have already good knowledge of Python, you may wish to know what's new in this Python version. So you can click on what's new right here. Now click on the close button. As we know, we have successfully installed the Python app. So let's search it in our system. Type Python in the search option and then click enter. Here you can see the Python app is successfully installed. Okay friends, if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.